This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Maytag top-loading washing machine that's making a metallic type sound as it runs. So we're going to unplug it and see if we can figure out what's causing it. We'll go ahead and lift the lid. We hear it stop. This is during the spin cycle. We do hear it a little bit during agitation too. I'm going to pull the machine away from the wall, and then we're going to lean it back to about 45 degrees. We want to make sure it's balanced and it won't fall. So lean it back far enough where you feel like it's secure. You may want to put something underneath it too so that it cannot fall on you. And we're going to take this belt off by grabbing the belt and the large pulley, and we're going to turn the pulley as we pull the belt off. And it'll come off pretty easily. Just got to take your time. Now with the pulley off, we're going to turn these wheels and listen. See which one's causing the metallic sound. So turning the big wheel both directions for agitation and spin sounds fine. No metallic sound. Turning the motor sounds fine. The water pump sounds bad. So the water pump shot. We notice also that the motor was making a bad smell of being overloaded. So not only do we hear the metallic chattering from here, but because it was rubbing, the motor was working too hard. So we just got to replace the water pump. But this is how you can tell if the water pump is bad. Just remove the belt. Make sure you unplug it, turn it on its side, remove the belt, and then you can turn it and you can listen and also see if the pulley is a little bit wobbly. Just putting the belt back on. I'm going to put it over the motor, over the water pump, then over the big pulley, and then turn the pulley, and that'll feed the belt back on. But it's definitely time for a new water pump. So we're testing it on agitation, and everything's working, but we're getting that metallic sound and we're getting the smell, electrical smell of a motor that's overworking. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.